Good morning, traders. I'm Stock Analyzer from TopStockPicks.com. If you're interested in making serious money and getting serious about your trading, come check me out at TopStockPicks.com. My premium newsletter is called Stock Analyzer's Penny Stock SuperNova, and 8 out of our last 10 alerts have been up 60 to 70%. Members are making huge gains, and again, it's if you're serious about making money this year. I know premium newsletters may not be the thing for you, but there's a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not interested. So come check us out when you get a chance. Today I'm going to break down APCX. Now this is not a newsletter alert from my premium newsletter, but it is a stock that's been doing fairly well. It's had a lot of attention lately, and I figured I would do a weekly chart to show a couple potential areas for APCX moving forward. APCX is currently trading at 0016. It had 2.1 billion shares traded last week. It was up 166%, which is very impressive, obviously, on the week. At this point, we're pretty much in uncharted territory for the short term. You can see right here that our last previous high on the weekly chart was 0041. That doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to go right to 0041, but that obviously would be our next major resistance point on the chart back from August of 2010. A couple areas that you want to watch though for mental resistance, probably at 002 and 0025. And obviously, if the stock were to be strong enough and it breaks over 0041, then you've got your 50 moving average line on the weekly chart sitting at 0066. Again, all these are areas that are very far away from our current price right now. And I do know that on Friday, we had a fairly light day as far as upward gains go, and the candle was fairly weak. So there may potentially be a pullback for APCX, which would be healthy. Again, the stock has run really strong for 2 weeks in a row. It may be healthy to see somewhat of a pullback, but again, 002, 0025, possibly your first two resistance points, with 0041 being resistance number 3. If you're looking at support, obviously you want to hold the low of the week, which would be at 0005. Now that'd be a pretty big dip here, but you also want to remember that we have the 50% rule. And for those of you that subscribe to my newsletter, we've talked about this many times. That 50% rule would put us right around 0.001, and that would be critical for us to hold moving forward into the new week. As far as the indicators go, you got your Williams percent R on the weekly chart, which is pretty top heavy. The MACD really has yet to even be phased by this new move, so I think it's going to take another couple weeks for this to start sloping up, but if it does, we may obviously see a continued move. Now, I do not have a position in APCX, and I have not been compensated for this video, but again, if you're serious about making money, I would encourage you to at least come check out my premium newsletter at TopStockPicks.com. And hey, if you're not satisfied, we've got no problem giving your money back within 30 days. But as of right now, I've had less than 1% of the people request some money back, and all of them have been very satisfied so far. So come check us out.